Hey, what's up? Welcome back for another video and a view into Huck's World. Today we got some cases for the Galaxy Note 10 that we're going to be reviewing today. Now the cases that we're reviewing are coming from Ghostek. We got to thank Ghostek in the door for sponsoring this video. Ghostek, thank you for the opportunity. With that being said, let's go ahead. Let's kick off. Check out case number 1, and this one is called Covert 3. Now, for all the cases that I'm going to review today, I will leave a link in the description where you guys can go check this out. Now, case number 1 is going to run you $14.98 on Amazon.com. This one is called Covert 3. Now, it says that it's been drop tested. It's a non-slip grip, limited lifetime warranty. On the inside, it says it has a R2X impact technology, which is going to help with the protection of your phone when it drops. And on the back, it says it has a diamond grip, also multi-layer technology, and you're going to get soft touch buttons and a slim, precise fit. Now, first off, I got to tip my hat off to Ghostek for the presentation of this package. I have not seen something so premium ever in all the case buying that I've ever did. This is nice. All right, let's go ahead. Let's take a closer look at this. This is the presentation. Very nice. I'm liking it. Let's get this out of here. Put this to the side. Then you got where it says thank you for purchasing. Also, it has a QR code on the back if you want to take a look at the instructions for this. Also, you're going to get a little sticker in here. And let's get this out. Now, I like this, right? It's a silicone, very nice, right? You got your cutout for your camera, also for your ports, top and bottom. And these are your buttons right here. You probably can't see them simply because it's a clear case. And you got Ghostek written on the case itself. I do like that look, very premium. I'm liking this one. This one is nice. Now you can see that it has reinforcement so far as the drop is concerned. So if it hits the corner, these are going to protect it so far as the bumpers are concerned. But let's go ahead. Let's put the case on here and take a closer look at it. Now already I like it. It adds just a tad bit of weight to it. Not much at all, but it has a premium look for a clear case. This looks nice. It's going to show off, of course, your color if you have black, white. I got the Aura Glow. This one's going to look nice in the daytime. So you're going to be able to see your Samsung branding. Ghostek shines through. You got the cutout for your camera. And you're going to get a little protection too because it raises up. Not bad at all. And your bottom ports seems to all line up. Let's check out the S Pen. S Pen comes out with no problem. Let's check out the power button. Power button works. Okay, let's check out the volume rocker. That's not bad. Now, what I like about the case, right? This back has a grip. You got to check this out. It has a grip where it holds in your hand very nicely. You see me shaking it? Not bad at all. I like that grip. I like the feel, but I like the premium look of this. Again, considering that this is a clear case, not bad at all. Now it does have a lip that raises, and you will be able to put it on the table with no problem. You hear that? No problem. It's not touching the screen at all. Let's see the wireless charging test. Quick, fast, no problem. This is a definite go. Gotta buy this one. Gotta buy this one. All right, you all, let's check out case number 2. All right, you all, let's check out case number 2. This one is called Cloak 4. This one is just as nice as the last one. You're going to get the same information on the front, on the back. But let's open this up and see what it says. It says multi-layer protection, crystal clear case, impact absorption guard. Let's check that out. See what this one has. Now, this one has the same information as the last one. Let's get this out of here. And this one is different. Has a gold and blue tone look to it. The case, so far as the clear is concerned, is gold. You cut out for your ports, top and bottom. You get Ghostek written across here. You also get the name of the case written across here. Nice and premium. Your buttons. You cut out for your camera. But this one is nice. It has a different feel already. But let's go ahead. Let's put the case in. This has a nice feel to it. Very nice. Not bad. Now this one is squared off a lot better than the first one. Looks nice. Has a premium look to it. Now I might have to get used to this two-tone color. I'm going to say it's not bad. I had to put it out in the sunlight to see what it really looks like. But the cutout for the camera looks nice. Of course, it's raised a little bit more to give you that extra added protection. Also, your volume button, your power button is here. The port seems to be lining up. S Pen come out with no problem. Seems like your top ports match up. Now what I like about it is that this is hard. Very reinforced. Not bad. Not bad at all for a drop test on the corner. But let's go ahead. Let's test out the power button. That works. Turn this on. Check out the volume rocker. Very tactile. Works with ease. Not bad at all. I like the feel of this. I do like the look. Definitely different. But I do like the look. You got a vented port here, 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 and here. Will allow the case to breathe so it shouldn't sweat. Not a bad look at all. And the screensaver goes with this case beautifully, doesn't it? Not bad. Now, it does have a raised lip. You hear that? Not touching the glass at all. Feels good. And this one too also has that grip technology on the back. So if you hold it like this, it's gonna not fall out your hand. Not bad. Not a bad deal at all. But let's see the wireless charging test. Wireless charging with ease. Now this one is gonna run you $19.98 out of the box. Not bad. Not bad at all for this one. Again, I like the way it's squared off. Looks nice. Different type of case. All right, so let's go ahead. Let's check out case number 3. Last but not least, case number 3 is called Atomic Slim 3. This one is beautiful. Now, what you're going to get with this one is what is called AI. You're going to get aluminum frame, military grade. You're going to get your limited lifetime warranty. And let's take a look on the inside of this. Now, it says you have a R7X shock absorbing technology. You also get military standard 3 times. It's been drop tested up to 12 feet, people. Very nice. Let's get this out the case, have a closer look at it. Now you're gonna pay a little bit more for this case. This case is gonna run you $39.98 out the door, but you're gonna get more of a premium look and feel, but you're also going to get more protection within this case. You got a rubber guard here, here, and all 4 corners. Down at the bottom, this is going to really absorb the shock once this drop on the ground. This is nice. All your corners are reinforced. Not bad at all. I like the design. This is also reinforced at the top. Is raised to protect your camera lens. Also, you got this two-tone black and red look with this aluminum frame that feels very premium. You get the name. Probably can't see it. The name of the case here. And let's see what's on this side. You get the name of the case again on this side. So not bad. You get Ghostek right here. And your case is clear. Very nice. And you got these premium looking buttons. Feels premium. Doesn't feel plastic or anything like that. That's nice. And you also get your ports for the bottom. Your port cutouts for the top. Not bad. It already feels nice and solid compared to the 2 before it. But let's go ahead. Let's throw this on and get a feel for it. Now already it feels solid, right? Now we talked about the protection around here for your camera lens and on the inside. This compared to the other 2, you're going to get more protection around the rim of the phone. Not bad at all. Now what this is going to also do is it's not going to stop you from using, of course, your edge, right? Your app edge. That's nice. That's nice that it doesn't get in the way, but it's going to give you that extra added protection. And of course, when you slam it down, not bad. You hear that? You're not hitting the glass at all. That's a nice feel, but let's go ahead. Let's check out the volume rocker and the power button. The power button on and off works. Let's go ahead and turn it up. Very easy, not hard at all. Let's see the ports. The ports line up, no problem. At the top, they line up. So this is a nice look for a two-tone red and black with a premium feel, aluminum feel at that. The design, to me, is on point. It's a very nice case. It's It's going to show off whatever color you have. Got a couple of portholes that's open here to allow the phone to breathe. Not a bad deal at all. But let's go ahead. Let's check the wireless charging test. Quick, fast, no problem. Now, the feel in the hand is nice. You have a little bit of weight to it, but the weight feels premium. You feel like you have a nice phone or a nice case on your phone as well. Not a bad deal, people. For $39.98, I'm going to say it's a go. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.